Okay, this is the Southwestern Industries CNC vertical milling machine. It's a model DPM V5, new in 2005. Its serial number 052BK13373. It's got a 12 by 50 table, 40 inches of X travel, 20 inches of Y, 21 of Z, which is the head up and down. It's a 40 taper. It's got a programmable spindle speed range from 160 to 4,000 RPM. 5 horsepower. You've got a ProtoTrack VM control, which is a window-based control with a Pentium processor, built-in video card, 32-bit RAM. It's got hand wheels for manual use, as well as the CNC control. And Sean's going to jog it around for you a little bit. As you can see, he's got electronic hand wheels. He's moving the hand right there, and it's moving the Y travel. He moved the X before. That's the Z up and down, the whole head. You can't even hear the ball screws or motors. He's going to jog it. There you go. Through the... that's the X. The other direction. The Y. Yep. And the Z, the whole head up and down. There you go. And now he's going to run the spindle. The spindle's on right now. Again, you can barely hear it. What's the RPM there?
It's 1,500.
1,500 RPM. Okay. Slowing it down. 1,000. That was the brake. Reverse, okay. It's got a lot of CAN programs in there as well. It's got auto geometry and all different things. Fixturing. It's got also mirror. We're going to go down in the back. I'll show you the... It's the auto lube. These are your manuals. That's a spray mist coolant system. And I think we're good. Thanks.